Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at a crucial component for anyone who owns a DJI Mini 3 Pro and has unfortunately encountered some trouble with their camera system. Specifically, we're talking about the replacement gimbal camera with the signal cable designed specifically for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This isn't just any generic part. The information provided highlights that this is an original accessory, meaning it's engineered to be a perfect match for the machine. When you've had an accident, perhaps a rough landing, or an unexpected bump that's damaged the original gimbal or camera, finding a reliable replacement is key to getting your drone back in the air and capturing those stunning shots. The description emphasizes that this part is durable and easy to use, making the process of replacing a damaged original straightforward. Nobody wants a complicated repair, and the promise of an easy installation is a big plus. It speaks to fine craftsmanship, suggesting that the part is well-made and fits seamlessly. Beyond just functionality, replacing a damaged part with something like this can actually make your device look beautiful again, restoring its original aesthetic. The focus on durability, wear resistance, and a long lifetime means that once installed, this replacement should last, providing peace of mind. It's designed to integrate perfectly, ensuring all the camera's functions, stabilization, tilt, pan, work just as they did when the drone was new. For DIY enthusiasts or repair shops, having access to original, high-quality replacement parts like this gimbal camera assembly is essential. It ensures the integrity and performance of the drone are maintained. The signal cable is included, which is vital as it connects the camera and gimbal to the drone's main board, transmitting data and power. A damaged cable can be just as problematic as a damaged camera, so having both together in one replacement unit simplifies the repair. It's about restoring full functionality and confidence in your equipment. When you're relying on your Mini 3 Pro for aerial photography or videography, having a perfectly functioning gimbal and camera is non-negotiable. This replacement part offers a path to getting back to flying and filming without compromise, using a component that's designed to meet the original specifications. It's a practical solution for a common problem faced by drone pilots. The ease of installation mentioned is particularly appealing. It suggests that with the right guidance, even someone with moderate technical skills could potentially perform the replacement, saving time and money compared to sending the drone in for service. The fine craftsmanship ensures that the delicate mechanisms of the gimbal are properly supported and aligned. Ultimately, this replacement part is presented as a high-quality, reliable option for bringing a damaged DJI Mini 3 Pro back to its full potential, ensuring perfect compatibility and lasting performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.